This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store and, find the Opera using the search bar. Then, once the needed app is found, you can open its app page or app details page and tap at the install button over there, and now give it a few seconds to be, downloaded and installed respectively. Then once the app is installed, you gotta simply launch it and perform an initial or first time setup. Tap at the continue button, then choose if you would like to set Opera as your default browser, and over here you can customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.